Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So I am showing you, it has settled down just a little bit, but it is super cold outside. The leaves are blowing. It's very windy. And so the leaves are blowing like on the ground. It is so windy, like they're rustling up. So instead of me being outside in the garden, I want to show you some of the things that I got during a lot of the sales that have been happening, and some new seed varieties that we're going to hopefully try next season. So let's go ahead. Let me go back in and let's get started. Okay, so I am inside. It is cold outside, but this is a good time for me. Like I always tell people, when it gets colder and the growth of the garden starts to slow down, go ahead, garden plan, go through your seeds, do all of that, because I'm telling y'all, in a few months, it's going to be go time again. So this is what I wanted to tell you really quick. If you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe, because I may have a big announcement that I have to share with you all. So I'm just taking it light right now, but I probably will have one, but we'll see how it goes the closer to the date that it gets. So I first want to start off with Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, and the reason why I have ordered even more from them. So they had a special that particular time where you got you got like a Baker Creek bag right here, and then you got this Baker Creek bag, and then you also get these two free seeds with the order. So off the bat, we got the sunflower chocolate cherry and the Black Beauty tomato. So that was free with this purchase. But what I love about Baker Creek is they always give you free seeds to try as well. And oftentimes, some of the seeds that they have gave us to try have become some of my favorites in the garden, just off the free seeds. So these were our two free seeds right here that I am super excited to try. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, the way I order seeds, I don't know why I do it, because I don't have that much space, but I do start things for family, for friends, and sometimes for sale if I have like a lot. But let me show you some of the highlights of not only just Baker Creek, but some of the seeds that I have ordered to try for next season. So again, these are just some highlights. I've ordered way more flower and herb seeds and vegetable seeds, but let's just talk about something that I'm excited to try. So you all know that we always grow the butterfly pea flower, and I'll try to flash up a picture in our garden, which is blue. And then when you put the lemon in there, it turns purple. But they have a white butterfly pea flower that I'm going to intermix in, as well as a lavender butterfly pea flower. So I think it's going to be really pretty. We use this for our teas, mainly the butterfly pea flowers. Now I'll let you all look up the benefits of the butterfly pea flowers, but what I will tell you is you do need some type of support, and it is a heat loving plant. Now we still have some butterfly pea flowers from my own seeds that are probably ready to bring in now. I like to let the seed pods dry as much as I can on the vine, and I like to collect the seeds, and most of the times we do start more seeds for the next season. Now I love turnips. Turnips, out of all the greens, are like my favorite. I prefer that over like the collard greens, and I love kale. I still love the mustard greens, but I just love turnips. So this was a new turnip green, and the root that I want to try. It kind of resembles carrots to me, the actual root, but here, for me, how I was grown up and raised, not only do we eat the turnip root, we eat the turnip greens as well. So when you all comment, let me know if you eat the turnip roots and the greens, or you just eat the roots. So Botanical Interest had a sale, okay? We'll just leave it at that. They had a end of the season sale, which is how I like to get a lot of my seeds. And so I ended up ordering a few seeds, not a lot, I will say that. And I'll show you some of the highlights of them in just a second. But I ordered some seeds from them, and then they sent this calendar here, and this is also a thank you seed package of the tall sunflower, which gets about it gets pretty tall, y'all. So we will plant them as well. But I thought that was really nice. But here are the highlights of the botanical interest. Now, I told you a while back that I actually went to one of our farm stores in the area, and they had what was called mustard spinach, and we planted them. And let me tell y'all, I really like them. Like I described to my friend, when you cook them, they have a mustard smell, but once they're done, they're really on the line of spinach. So they remind me of spinach when they're cooked, but as they're cooking, they smell like mustard. I don't know if that makes sense or not. So it's really has a more spinach flavor than mustard for with my palate. I'll just say that. So I found some, and I got a pack of these. What I love about it, I will say 30 to 60 days. It depends on how big you want your leaves. You can harvest them as they're like baby leaves, put them in a salad, but we harvest them when they were kind of big, and we cook them down like mustard greens. So we got the mustard spinach. I cannot say enough about the Florida broadleaf mustard. Like, this probably is my new favorite right here. Not only are the leaves so big where you don't need a lot to like prep for cooking. Same thing with the mustard spinach. You can harvest them at an early phase, use them in salads, or you can use them like Southern style like I do. But when I tell you the leaves are huge, it's amazing. It's like amazing. Like, it doesn't take a lot for my husband and I to make a meal with the Florida broadleaf mustard off of a few leaves. Like, I'll go pick a few leaves, and that will make like a lot for us. So we got those. And then again, I love turnips. Now, this reminds me of another type of turnip that I have grown, but this is the Market Express turnip, 30 to 40 days, frost tolerant. And they are really sweet. They're very, very sweet. So we got some of these right here. So let me tell you about Park Seed. I know if they were to look into their system, they would probably wonder, what am I doing? Like, why does she keep ordering seeds around here? It's no way she has that enough space, but it's okay. I know what I'm doing, okay? I really do. I like Park Seed. In my experience with starting seeds, Park Seed have a really great germination rate. A lot of the seed companies that I order from, including Baker Creek and Botanical Interest and Johnny Seeds, they really have a great germination rate. And that's one of the things that I look for when I order seeds. We do save our own seeds, and I like to test my own germination rate. But let me just show you some of the few things that we have gotten. This is a petunia. I love petunias in the summer. So we got this petunia here and a couple of other ones. And then we got some butter baby squash. Let me tell y'all, I wasn't really a squash person, not the regular squash, but like the butternut squash. This is kind of like what this is. I wasn't really a squash person until I visited my mom and stepdad a few months ago, and my stepmom made some squash, the butternut squash, and it was so amazing. It was really good. So I went to the store, I got my own, I replicated what she did, and it's great. I love it. So I said, you know what? Let's grow it. Now, I did grow it last season, but I only got like 3 from it. Seriously, I already know squash vine borers, but I'm not going to give up on that. Love zinnias. Zinnia is such an easy plant to grow in your summer garden. It adds so much color, and it's so pretty. So we got us some zinnias, and then these Snackabell red peppers that we have. So if you remember some of the videos that we put up with all of the red peppers that we had, the sweet red peppers on our patio that we grew in our patio containers, this is similar to that. So you can't go wrong with that. And then we got the Fresh Bites orange pepper, really similar, that we are going to grow, red and orange. I think I may have gotten yellow too, but these are great for salad. Like, you can go outside, you can pick these and you can put these in your salad, or you can just eat them as a snack, but they're really good, flavorful, and sweet. So this is not quite everything that we have, but I don't want to make the video too long, like I always say, and then I turn around and do it. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and select all so that you can receive all videos every time we upload a new video. I want to show you all some of the seed starting supplies that I got, as well as a new appliance that I'm going to use with my herbs that I'm so excited to share with you all. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and make sure you tap that bell so that you can receive all the notifications each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching. Gardening season, gardening months is right around the corner. So until the next video, bye-bye.